Luke Nolan, Central Coating Company. It's crane day here in Santa Clara, doing a re-roof of a 180-foot tall building. We've got areas of this low roof down here that strangely have gravel roofing on them that's going to be vacuumed, and then larger upper roof area across the top. Phase one here, we're using 120-ton crane to load all of the gravel vacuum equipment and hoses. We have everything up now. Now it's just time to rig the gravel hose back down. Guys are doing an awesome job. Beautiful Saturday morning here in the Bay Area. Let's go check out upstairs. Guys did a really great job. This is a fully adhered SPF roof system over a concrete deck and a previous inverted roof. So we've added R23 continuous insulation to meet the new Title 24 requirement. Roof's got a 20-year warranty on it. Really awesome.